hands, I have Feastables and Hershey's. I'm going to be blind taste testing people to see which is better, Hershey's versus Feastables. Is Feastables really better than Hershey's? Let's test it out. Alright, the first person who's going to test is my dad.
Chocolate number 1 is yummier than the...
He picked Feastables! Feastables 1, Hershey's 0. Next person who's going to test the chocolate is my brother. Here's the chocolates. Get one. How does it taste like?
Normal chocolate.
Get the next one.
It's much sweeter than Hershey. It's more milkier.
Which would you prefer? Chocolate number 1 or chocolate number 2?
Number 2.
Feastables is the winner! Feastables is 2. Hershey's is 0. Have you decided which one is better? Chocolate number 1 or chocolate number 2?
1.
Number 1, Feastables is the winner! Feastables is 3. Hershey's is 0. Now we're here at SM Sukat to blind taste test people to see what are their opinions of Hershey's versus Feastables. Kuha ng isang tsokolate.
Isa lang po.
How's the taste?
It tastes so, sweet and mas masarap po to kaysa sa ordinary chocolates.
Then pick your vote kung which chocolate is more delicious to you.
Ito po. For
This
me,
one?
ito. Yes.
Yung pinili mo, Feastables. Kamusta lasa? How's the
Sarap
taste?
siya, matamis, tas wala, parang ordinary chocolate lang. Ay, gusto ko to.
This
Ito.
chocolate? Okay. So, nanalo yung Hershey's. Hershey's 1. Feastables is 4. Hershey's is 1. One chocolate. Kamusta lasa? How's the taste?
Medyo mapait konti.
Mapait.
Parang siyang dark chocolate.
Milk chocolate po silang dalawa.
Ay, we.
Which chocolate do you prefer? The first one or the second
The
one?
second.
Second one. So, Feastables 1.
Masarap, kasi milky.
Okay, kailangan mo na mag-blindfold. Feastables is 5. Hershey's is 1.
Anong gagawin ko po? Hulaan ko lang?
Eat it. And then compare which one is better, the first chocolate or the second chocolate. How does the first one chocolate taste like?
Parang common. Parang natignan naman ko na po yung first chocolate.
Okay. Second chocolate. Which chocolate did you like better?
Yung second.
Second chocolate.
Yeah. Mas creamy siya.
Feastables 1. Feastables is 6. Hershey's is 1.
Walang ano yan.
Ate, kinakabahan ako sa'yo
Walang ano yan.
Walang
ate.
Wala pong halo yan. Only chocolate.
Okay, only chocolate. So, I have to choose between the two. Then, compare yung taste.
Yeah, compare which one tastes better to you.
Okay, sige po.
That's chocolate number 1. How does it taste like?
Sarap. Ano pong chocolate to?
Hershey. Ay, wait, bawal.
May sinawin na siya!
Oh my gosh! Sabi ko! Ay, kaya rush. Next chocolate.
Yung chocolate.
Ano lasa yan?
How's the taste?
Plain? Plain na sweet. Eto, sakto lang.
Which chocolate do you prefer more? Chocolate number 1 or chocolate number 2?
Chocolate number 2. Kasi sa chocolate number 1, masyado siyang sweet and
Feastables is 7. Hershey's is 1.
eto.
Yeah, chocolate. Kainin mo lang.
Tapos po,
Kamusta lasa?
masarap. Yun lang, parang lasa ko yung gatas. May gatas ba to? Tapang po yung chocolate kesa sa milk.
Okay. Oh, get the next chocolate.
Saan? Oh,
Ano mas prefer nyo? Chocolate number 1 or chocolate number 2?
number 1.
Number 1.
Ay, hindi, yung number 2 pala.
Number 2.
Kasi yung number 2, parang sakto lang siya, di mo maano yung sobrang tapang ng chocolate. Parang katamtaman lang po. Kaysa dun sa una, like, lasang-lasa ko po yung dark ng chocolate.
Yung napili niyo po, Feastables. Feastables is 8. Hershey's is 1.
Ate, blindfold to
Apo.
Ipopost niyo yan?
Opo.
Oh my God! Okay.
Here's chocolate number 1. How's the taste?
Parang normal na chocolate lang.
Second chocolate. Second chocolate mas gusto nyo. So, napili nyo, you pick Hershey's.
Ano ba?
Hershey's. Okay. Thank you.
I love Hershey's.
Hershey's.
I know the taste of Hershey's.
Okay.
Thank you.
Feastables is 8. Hershey's is 2. Ano bang mas nagustuhan nyo? First or second chocolate?
Yung first.
First chocolate. So, napili nyo, you pick Hershey's over Feastables. Feastables is 8. Hershey's is 3. Ha?
Parang katulad din.
Pareha sila? Ano mas mapipiliin mo? For chocolate number 1 or chocolate number 2?
Chocolate number 1.
Chocolate number 1. Okay, okay, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung blindfold. Yung napili mo, Hershey's. Feastables is 8. Hershey's is 4.
Ano masasabi mo may pumipili ng Hershey?
I hate Hershey's. Hershey's sucks. I'm supporting Mr. Beast. That's the first chocolate. How does it taste like?
It tastes like normal chocolate. Milky. Tastes really good.
Next chocolate. That's the second chocolate. Can you tell which chocolate is more delicious to you? Which is better?
The second one is the delicious chocolate.
The second one, you pick Feastables.
Oh,
Mr. Beast chocolate.
I haven't tasted this before. It's natural ingredients, right?
All natural? I'm not sure.
Because I saw the previous vlog. It's Mr. B said it's natural chocolate. Is this for the vlog?
Yo, vlog. Feastables is 9. Hershey's is 4. Now for the grand finale, I'm going to be blind taste testing the chocolate. I got my blindfolds on and the chocolate's on my lap. First chocolate. Delicious. Now let's see what I pick. I pick Feastables. Feastables is 10. Hershey's is 4.